China OC, I hope all of you are doing well right now. We are back and we could promise that from now on we are going to deliver weekly the stainless steel report and the regular videos of the stainless steel market. In this video we are going to talk about the stainless steel market in the past few months and get out the clues of how it could affect the stainless steel prices.
Straightly, this chart shows the weekly prices of stainless steel of some major grades and origins from April 15 to May 20. This might be slightly different from the Chinese price trend because the price we provide are subjected to the floating currency rate.
Well, talking about the currency rates in the past month, the dollar keeps climbing.
On April 12th, the exchange from US dollars to Chinese yuan was closed at 6.36, but on May 20 it rose to 6.75. The last time it reached over 6.75 was in October of 2020. To your overseas buyers, it is really high time for you to buy with the preferences of currency.
What really brings down the stainless steel price lies in the Chinese domestic situation. Since February of this year, we haven't stopped mentioning the great impact of the pandemics and the dynamic zero quarantine strategy on the economic environment.
The huge legacy starts to reflect in April when China Manufacturing Purchasing Manager Index of March slipped to 49.5%, and the data for April kept falling, hitting 47.4%, breaking down to the lowest point since March of 2020.
On one hand, the domestic buyers postponed their purchasing plans because of the consumption and the production both has declined amid the quarantine. On the other hand, abroad buyers, the less efficient transportation is the biggest uncertainty due to the changing requirements. Don't you hear that LME nickel drama faced gradually the tepid demand within China is the reason number one of the decrease in prices in the stainless steel in the past month according to the inventory in Wuxi sample warehouse.
The spot has been staking for weeks, except for 2 weeks ago when the Jinling port was blocked and the goods couldn't get into the warehouse.
Did the prices will keep decreasing? Does that answer all of us want to know? On May 24, the prices of stainless steel keep falling, but now you really have to seize the chance. Shanghai is recovering after more than 2 months of lockdown, the sign indicating the recovery of the Chinese demand. As for the supply,
from the perspective of steel mills, don't forget that several steel giants announced to reduce output by carrying out their overhaul plans in May and June. We will see the drop of inventory in June and July.
At that time, with the Chinese demand rise and the inventory decrease, it is almost for sure that the Chinese stainless steel prices would meet an increase in future months. Okay guys, let's shift our side to another stainless steel supplier, India.
On May 22nd, India raised an export tax on iron ore and imposed a new export tax on a number of steel products, including stainless steel.
In this way, the Union government hopes to cool down the inflation and keeps the domestic steel prices in check. Europe, Vietnam, and the Middle East are the 3 largest buyers of Indian steel, and now they must be busy negotiating their orders.
To buyers who have gone through the export tax rebate issue with the Chinese supplier, this time might be familiar to them. But did the price of stainless steel drop after China withdrew of export tax rebate?
The answer is clearly not. But will the Indian domestic steel price to drop? It won't be easy. But obviously, the buying cost from India will increase immediately 15%, and it might further push up the global stainless steel price. Globally, the inflation is a irresistible trend, and the war gives us more uncertainty in the commodity market. To speak frankly, we think that in the recent 2 weeks, if you want to buy from China, you should take the opportunity. Okay guys, that is all for today. Bye!